Today, now I'm going to show you how I will be taking my live expiry trades for Thursday in live. Okay, generally, and we looking at open interest initially. So, what are the highest open interest among call and put? It seems like there are many are doing 36,100 straddle currently. Okay, the highest open interest at call side is 36,200 and downside is 36,000. Now, what will be my strategy? This one I will be doing on every Wednesdays at after 3 p.m. So this works fine, very fine for me. Let me share with you. Now this is a strategy builder from Sensible. Okay. Now what I do is, as my view is, as it has risen today around 800 points. Now my view is little bit bullish for tomorrow. Okay. So I'll be taking 36,200 weekly expiry 5th. I'll be taking 36,200 sell 2 lots, and I will now why I'm taking this, because I'm having a bullish view. Okay, when market goes up I will be making some profit. If market comes down I will be making loss. So in order to compensate that loss, I will go and buy the monthly expiry 36,200 put. Again this will be 2 lots. Now this is my payoff chart. Okay, I will be explaining very quickly as the time is 3:08. I need to execute orders as well. Now this is the payoff. Looks same as straddle. If I take straddle, if market gaps down I will be in loss. If market gaps up, then also I will be in loss. Now what advantage with this is, if market goes down drastically or gap down drastically, there is nothing to worry for me because I am holding one put, monthly put. Okay. Now in order I am sure but not sure how market behaves tomorrow. It might go down as well. So as my view is bullish, I have taken this trade. My view can go wrong as well. So for that I will be selling another 2 lots. Far out of money. That let me take 36,400, 2 lots. Okay. Now why I have taken this? Because my view is bullish. I have taken calendar spread. But if my view goes wrong, this call helps. If my view goes right, this put helps, as well as this. There will be theta decay tomorrow, theta loss tomorrow. This will be in very minimal. Okay. This is my overall strategy for my expiry. I will be doing adjustments tomorrow as well if that goes wrong. So let us take the trades. So I'm placing all market order. Okay, orders are completed. In order to make it fast, I have done, because it's already 3:30, sorry 3:10. So I wanted to execute little bit. Okay, there are other positions as well. You can ignore those. What I have taken is, I will show you the payoff chart once again. It's 36,200, 36,200 monthly, and I have sold 2 lots of. So these are the 3 trades I have taken. Let us analyze again. Yeah, this is the payoff chart. If market goes up, I will be making money in 36,200 calendar spread. If market goes down, I will be making minimum loss in 36,200 calendar spread. In additional to that, I will be also making some profit in 36,400. Yeah, this is the video regarding my expiry trade. Hope you like it. Thank you.